The iPulse, since 2010 the undisputed benchmark among craftsman vacuum cleaners. But we weren't satisfied with that and wanted to go a step further. We listened very carefully to our customers and were able to improve the iPulse in certain specific areas. For example, we've installed a new high-performance motor. This increases the performance of the new iPulse by 20%, making it the most powerful professional vacuum cleaner in its class. Equipped with our proven and extremely robust filter cartridges with the largest filter surface in its device class, the new iPulse delivers what others can't. Extremely strong suction performance without loss of suction power, for work without interruption. Thanks to the Starmix differential pressure measurement and the Starmix permanent clean technology. The easy clean accessible filters are alternately cleaned with 300 times gravitational strength with the help of electromagnets as soon as the airflow falls below a preset value, without interruption. So we can offer the best filter bag changing system, we've redesigned the Starmix rotary slide from scratch. Now it's easy to switch between fleece filter bags and plastic emptying bags. Simply flip the switch on the container socket, close for fleece filter bags, and open for plastic emptying bags. For dust-free transport, all new iPulse vacuum cleaners also have a high-quality rubber closure on the intake of the container. We were also able to improve the accessory storage to further simplify the handling of accessories. After a complete redesign, it now offers one parking position in addition to 6 holding positions. But that's not all. We've completely redesigned the motor head and integrated the Smart Fix, an intelligent mounting system that will make everyday work easier in so many ways. It can be used as a handle, for example, to lift the vacuum into a car, as a hose fixing point, as an anchor point for straps, and for the Starmix Sustainer Box. The iPulse 2, our answer to the challenges of the toughest jobs on construction sites and in workshops. The result of almost 100 years of development tradition. The new iPulse Reloaded, designed for the future. Starmix, made in Germany, made for you.